Okay, random thought habang nasa bahay lang ako. Minsan ba naisip mo na parang, am I running late in life? Kasi same. Lahat ng tao may kanya-kanyang timeline. Pero dahil sa social media, parang andali na mag-compare. Like, siya may house na, siya kasal na, siya may business na. Tapos ikaw parang, I just got out of bed. But you know what I'm learning? You are not late. You're not early. You're exactly where you're supposed to be. Progress doesn't always look flashy. Minsan, progress is choosing to rest, or saying no, or finally letting go of something that's been heavy. So if today, all you did was breathe, or try again after failing, or just feel your feelings, that's that counts. Life is not a race. Hindi mo kailangan sumabay sa timeline ng iba. Ikaw lang ang bida sa kwento mo. And you're allowed to move at your own pace. So yeah, just wanted to remind you of that. Take your time, hindi ka late.